Hi, I'm going to teach you how to do a Schoology test. I made a practice test that should go over pretty much every type of problem that you could possibly see on one of these things. So let's get started. I'm doing a preview of a test that I made, so it's going to look slightly different, but not too different. I have a couple directions here to start out, but I don't think I'll need it. So the first type of problem that you'll probably run into, and the most common one that you'll probably run into, is the old tried and true multiple choice. Let's get rid of that. I don't need that. So before we even get started on that, let me show you what these guys look like, what they do. If I were to click on review, that tells me the types of problems or the problems that I've done already and the ones that I haven't done already. So I haven't done any of them, so that's why none of them are highlighted. So click out on that. If I were to click this guy, I could change the colors of things, or for all you blind kids, I can make it a bigger or smaller font for all you super good sighted kids. I can zoom things in. Look at all those options. It's called accessibility. Here's a calculator. My face is in the way. Here is a ruler. So if I needed to measure this pool for some reason, I could. And if I wanted to move the ruler around, I just click and drag and move it around. Bada bing. Same thing with the protractor. So if I needed to find, the angle of this corner here, I could use that. And oh, look, it's 90 degrees. Who would have thought? And of course, I can move that guy around too. Click on that. Also, if for any reason I needed to take notes, like if I'm going to skip problem 1, or if, maybe there's a problem that it's like problem 1 also has to do with problem 2, and I want to, make some notes along the way, I can do that. And so I will write down some random word that I just did and close out of it. Maybe later I'll go back to that and see. And I'm going to blow everything up because why not? And here we are. So this is a multiple choice problem. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the volume of a swimming pool. So this is the picture. These are my two options. Gallons, pints. It's gallons. My face is in the way, so let's scooch that there. Let's put my face there at the top. Go to next. All right. Write 4 1/3 as an improper fraction. So if you can see, if I click on that, all of these math thingy-things pop up. An improper fraction is just a numerator and a denominator. So the way I do fractions, improper fractions, is I click on that guy right there and that pops up. Now the trick for improper fractions is this. Take the large number out in front and the denominator, multiply those two together. 4 times 3 is 12. Add it to the 1 on top and you get 13. So the numerator is going to be 13. The denominator is 3. Now, of course, I'm typing, but, as you saw me type, you probably saw these numbers highlight. So you can click on that too with your mouse. But I just clicked out of the box. I am done with that. I'm going to click next. You know what? What was that note that I left myself in problem 1? Oh, yeah. Cats. Now, I wrote that note in problem 1 just in case I would need it later. And you know what? Lo and behold, what animal is this? Well, it's a cat. I'm going to click on that box. Now, this box is for answering math questions, but I can type in random words too. It just might look italicized because that's what math, things do. They like to italics variables, but, cats. I'm going to click out of it. I'm going to go next. Now, click the red circle below and describe the pattern. This is an audio recording, so I'm actually going to record my voice describing the pattern. So the pattern is yellow circle, green diamond, green diamond. Yellow circle, green diamond, green diamond. Yellow circle, green diamond. So I'm going to hit the red circle and record my response. Did you hear the beep? Yellow circle, green diamond, green diamond. So I'll close on it. Let's see what I sound like. You hear the beep? Yellow circle, green diamond, green diamond. Look at that. And if I wanted to do it again, if I wasn't happy with my voice or the fact that I said right there, did you hear the beep? I could just click that guy and record again. On to the next one. Now, for tutorials, I can't show you how to do this, but let me move my face if I have to. This is a file upload. There's going to be a lot of problems where you are asked to write down your problem on a scrap sheet of paper and then actually take a picture of that and submit the picture that you did. So this is what you could do. The directions here say copy the problem on a scrap piece of paper and answer. Take a picture of your work using the webcam. So if I click on the webcam pops up. Now the nice thing about this is see how it's like not reversed? I know with a lot of apps that people use on their phone, it might show it in reverse mode, but it's actually in regular mode. So if I did the math on a piece of paper and held it up, I don't have to worry about it being reverse. And the way you would take a picture of it is that button right there. So there's my face. Now I want to save it. There it is. And when I'm done with the picture that I have, I would go back to Schoology. I would click Upload File, go to my Downloads folder, and upload the file. Now, again, for whatever reason, the preview mode doesn't let me do that. That's okay. So we're just going to pretend that we did. Click, boopity boop, next. Use a calculator to find the answer. So it's the same exact problem as the last one. And again, if you're like, isn't that the same as the last one? I can go back to the previous problem by going back to 5 or hitting that left arrow. And I can see it's the same problem, but the directions are different. It's asking me to use the calculator to find the answer. I can go over here and use that calculator, or in this case, the calculator is there for me, and I can just type it in. I can type it in using my keyboard. I can type it in by clicking like this, 449. Plus 151, enter 600. So I'm going to click out. The answer is 600. On to the next one. What's this? It's a matching problem. So let me move my face down there. I'm going to match these beautiful, beautiful, magnificent creatures to the color that it's supposed to be matched with. So the gray cat goes there, and the orange cat goes there, and the black cat goes there, and the white cat goes there. Okay? So since this is the last problem, my next option is to review. It shows me the problems that I did. 5 was the one where I had to upload the file and it wouldn't let me. So it says that I unattempted it. That's hurtful. But when I'm done, I hit finish. And I'm finished. That's it. So those cover the majority of the problems that you're going to see. Hopefully this video helped. And that's that. Bye.